Guys, see who is walking. Look at this. I did nothing. This is all happening from the God. Look at this. Oh my God, thank God. God bless him. He can hear a little bit, I think. See? I'll make a noise. Looks like he can respond to the sound, but not sure, I'm not sure. But still cannot see. Cannot see, look his eyes. Cannot see. He goes back to his chicken. And you know what he's doing? He's not eating it properly. Look, he make it into small pieces and put it back. Maybe just taking a juice from it. Oh, stretching. Stretching. Ew. Look at this, guys. Ew. He cannot still see. If I bring the finger close to his eyes, he doesn't know anything. But I think he's responding to the sound now. Look, I will make a noise now. Let's see. See? He goes to see where the sound is happening. Oh, so I'm so happy. Thank God. See, back to his chicken. He chew, and then he put it back. He's just taking juice from the chicken. I don't know what's wrong. Why he's not eating it all. Yum. He still so far did not poop even one time. He did pee yesterday night. I saw in the morning the mat was wet, just like the day before. The whole day I came from my work, it's all clean. He did not pee. So he's just peeing at night. I don't know how it's happening. Look who is walking. It's so cool to see him. Yo, baby. I tried to clean him a little bit. If you can see his... Yeah. Yes. Yes, come here. Look. Oh, yeah, baby, come. So far he cannot see me. See me, he will come running to me. But he cannot see me. I clean his face a little bit with the towel. I tried to do like mom, but of course nothing can replace the real mother. Look. Look who is walking. Oh my God, guys, I still did not name him. Usually I don't name any of the cats. It's my family, they give them names. Or the neighbors, or anybody who is like, who see them, they give them names. Or my mom, my brother. I hardly give them names. Yumi looks much better. I'm praying that God heals his eyesight and he can start seeing. Look, cleaning himself. This is the first cleaning. Oh my God. Thank God. Look who is cleaning himself. Today I was thinking he's still not cleaning himself. There must be, he's still not fine. But look who is cleaning. Oh my God, look at the pink toes. So cute. I tried to clean his hand, this one, but I was afraid to be hard on him. I did a little bit, but not more than that. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Guys, I want to share this beautiful moment with you. Oh, more cleaning is happening. My God, I'm so happy. Thank God. Alhamdulillah. Such a darling boy he is. Oh, cleaning session started. Means he's feeling better now. Oopsie daisy. You went upside down. Such a darling he is. Oh my God. Yobi. I'm waiting to see his poop. Like a gold mine, really. He's responding to my laugh. I think he's responding to the sound. Meow. I don't know if he can hear or no, but I hope and I think he is. Oh God, such a darling boy. I'm so glad, guys. You will be amazed to see his progress. If you want me to come with a live session to see him, I can do that. Weekends maybe. Meow, 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 meow. See, there's something here. He has a white spot. The other ear is not. Guys, what do you think when he will grow big? He's going to be a hairy, big long hair? Because I can see the fur is really big, look. Ew, baby. Looks like a wolf. Ew. Yummy. Okay, I'll see you later, guys.